Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of this course. In this video, we are going to continue creating our style guide, or let's say our design system together. So in this video, we need to add two more sections to our design system, which are gray background colors and gradient colors. So to do that, first we need to increase the height size of our artboard like this. And I'm going to copy and paste one of these sections. Pretty nice. Let's call it gray background colors. Nice. I don't need this blue line. And now let me detach them from their style like this. Pretty nice. And I'm going to duplicate the last one because I need one more color. Fantastic. Now let's select the first one and I'm going to change the color code to 28, 37 and 4B like this. And let me create the color style. I'm going to write colors gray 1. And for the second one, I'm going to copy this color code. Okay. And let's paste it here. And I'm going to decrease the opacity to 75%. And after that, let's choose the eyedropper and click on this color in order to get the same color with 100% opacity. Okay, then let's create the color style, colors gray 2. I'm gonna copy this and we need to copy the color code once again. So let's paste it here with 50% opacity and the last one with 25% opacity like this. And let me change them. And the last one, once again, choose eyedropper and select the same color. Fantastic. Now let's create the third color style, colors gray 3. Let's copy this. And the last one, colors gray and 4. Fantastic. Now I'm going to rename the group to gray background colors. Let me copy this and paste it for other groups as well, like this. Pretty good. Once again, duplicate it. And now I'm going to rename it to gradient colors. And let's remove the last two colors because I need only two colors here. And I'm going to select the first one, detach it from its style, the second one as well. And for the first one, I'm going to change the color from solid to linear. And let's select the first color and I'm going to change the color code to 41, 35 and F3. And the second one, let's increase the opacity to 100% and I'm going to change it to 71, 68 and F6. Then I'm going to change the direction to get something like this. Pretty good. Then let's create our color style. I'm going to write colors gradient 1, and for the second one, let's change it to linear as well. The first color is going to be BE 52 and F2, and the second color we need to increase the opacity to 100%, and I'm going to change the color code to DB A5 and F5 like this. Let me change the direction. Fantastic. And we need to create our color style, colors gradient 2. And last but not least, let's rename our group to gradient colors for other groups as well. Fantastic. Alright guys, now let's try out our gradients. So I'm going to create a rectangle here and let's apply our gradients. For example, this one, it's pretty fantastic. We can easily change it. And also we can choose the background color. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video.